So now what I have done is I have, can you hear me guys? Just tell me once
Yes,
time.
yes.
Okay. So now what I have done, I have just freeze the rotation from the rigid body. Okay. And the X position, because we don't want to move our character from here to here. Okay.
Yes.
So I just log this freeze position X is true. Now whatever I do with the character, it will not allow the character to go left or right. Okay.
So
So
okay,
now
I understand why you lock the position, but why do you lock the rotation?
the rotation is that when we are playing with the script, so the player should not go like
Uh-huh,
this.
uh-huh. Okay, okay, okay.
Player should not go like this. It
Okay,
will be
okay,
awkward. It will be awkward.
okay.
Okay, like this.
I have one more question.
Okay.
Whenever you jump, can you press D or A? Jump first and then press D. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I understand. Whenever, but I want,
Now it's locked, right?
yeah, we can now we can make a condition, because when I make a, let's see over here. Let's see in the player movement script,
Why
and
I don't
let's,
I don't understand why it's happening. It should jump and then move. Why?
no, I think it will move. It will move.
I
No,
th-
don't
I
worry.
don't press space
Now,
and then A or D. It moves. Yeah.
you want to,
Um.
you want, don't move when the player is jumping.
No, I want it to move. Is it moving?
Yeah, it is moving.
Like in the air when you press
Yeah,
space first and then D.
yeah. But the thing is,
Uh-huh.
okay, let me, okay, one second. I don't need to make it false uh when he jump. Okay, you want to move. He is moving right now, don't worry. He is moving.
Uh-huh. He's moving now.
Yeah, he is moving. So
Because one time I made the script that moves the player, but when I jump, like press space.
yeah, actually this is the scratch script. What is in the previous thing, the when, and if I add the condition over here on grounded, so it will not move.
Yes.
Got it?
Okay. Can you show me?
Yeah.
So now when you start the game, ungrounded is false.
On grounded will be true. On grounded will be true when I start the game. You can see. Okay, and when I jump, so it is not moving.
Uh,
Okay. But the thing is, I don't
uh-huh.
want, I don't like this one. I want to move in the
Yeah,
air.
I don't like it too.
Yeah. So for that, to make it more beautiful, what we can do, we can make a numerator, or we can make something like, when we jump, so don't make on grounded falls at the same time, because the jump is becoming very low. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So for that, what we can do, we can make a, okay, I numerator, IE numerator. Now you can see, I want to make on ground false, make, okay, make on ground false,
This is coroutine,
false.
right?
Yeah, exactly. After 1 second. Okay. Or after any number second. Okay.
How do I know I need the I numerator? How did you know that you need this one?
because
Just because you want to wait a couple of seconds.
yeah. Whenever we need to wait during the gameplay, whenever we want to
Okay,
perform
can
some,
you get? Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
whenever you want to perform any action after some seconds, so here we have to use the enumerator waiting method for that. So I
Can you
enumerate
give another what's another example would be you using enumerator?
the another example is
Because this one is
yeah,
very new to me in programming.
yeah. I whenever mostly enumerator use when the user whenever you install a new game in your phone.
Yes.
Okay, so it will show you that it will show you a guide. Okay, and the guide is there will be a play button, there will be, so it will highlight that everything for some
Uh-huh.
seconds,
Uh-huh.
for some second, like 3 seconds for the punch button, they are
Yes.
highlighting it, and after 3 seconds it will move to the jump button, and after that it will be moved into the
Yeah.
sprint button, and everything else, so that all the routines work will be handled by enumerator, and this is
Uh-huh.
enumerator is very important in game development.
Okay. So
Okay,
now keep going. I'll see you how to.
enumerator, so I'm creating a new method which is start from the enumerator class enumerator, and you can call jump wait. Okay, and over here uh, we have to call yield return new wait for seconds. This is the syntax actually. Okay, this is the syntax, you have to do that.
So what yield does it do?
This is actually, this is the syntax.
Uh-huh. It's yield is only used for the time.
Yeah, it's wait
And then
for
if
the
you
time.
then
and
if you
let's
return
and let's
when
create, yeah, let me show you jump time. We can make a jump time over here, and we can return the jump time, we can paste copy that jump time over here, and then we can on grounded equals to false. Okay, what will happen whenever we call this method, so it will, this is the waiting time, it will wait this time, and then it will work, like it will wait 1 second over here, and then after 1 second this line will compile after 1 second.
and
After
but how does it compile? There's return. You say return here. How does it compile the next
it is,
line?
yeah, it is a very big class. This is a class actually, so this is a very small method, it's look like very small over here, but it will wait over here for the 1 second or any number of second, like if I provide a jump time to 10 seconds, so it will waiting over here, the compiler will wait over here a new multi-thread. Do you know about the multi-threading tasking?
Yeah,
And
I know
so it,
multi-threading.
so this is a type of a multi-threading, like we have make a multi-thread over here, and now the
Yes,
multi-thread start this method, and this line will not compile until the time
yes.
reaches. Got it?
Okay, but then you have yeah, but then you have return before. So will the compiler exit from this method?
No, it will not this class is
Why?
enumerator, because this is
Uh-huh.
not a public void method, this is not a public void method,
Okay.
this is
Okay.
enumerator, it will not return, it is yield. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
it is different from that, don't worry.
Okay.
So now what we have to do, now we have to call this method over here.
Yes.
Okay, so to call it, we cannot directly write a jump wait, it will show the error, it will not work actually,
Why?
it will not work, because whenever you have to call the enumerator, you have to
Uh-huh.
write start coroutine,
Yeah, yeah,
this,
yeah. Yes, yes.
and then make that
Yeah, I've seen that. Okay.
like this, you have to call like this. Okay, So it is it will be a routine, and then if
How about
I
I'm kind of lost here, so can
Hussein will guide you.
again
Don't
again.
worry,
Sorry.
Hussein will guide you. If he don't, so I will tell you everything. So let's check it over
Oh,
here. Okay, so jump time is right now 0. So let's make it to 1 second, or make it 2 seconds. Okay, on grounded and jump time is 1 is fine. Let's play over here. Okay, we can make yeah, I know.
Hafiz, can you put it on 5 seconds? I want to see the effect more,
Okay, okay, okay,
please.
okay. I will
Let
I
me
will do
see.
this, but first I have to make a condition. On
Okay.
grounded is false. Is okay. We can make it. Yeah, I think we can make it true over here. We don't need to make it false. So that will be more fine. Okay. Yes. So the jump will be fine if I do that. So if I make it 5, the jump time, then and the jump power is 8, so it will go.
I I see now.
No,
شفتها?
no.
Not this?
No, this is not good. Okay, what we have to do, on ground is false. Okay. Okay, yes, jump time is 5. 5 is too much time actually. The 5 seconds, actually this is 5 seconds. Let's check it out.
Maybe if you hold on the button.
No, if I hold the button, then it is not. Okay, okay. What I need to do is, on collision enter, I have make it true, and on collision exit. Okay, so we can use them. On collision exit, we can make it false. Okay, so this will be more good. Okay, don't make it on grounded true from here or false from anywhere, so it will automatically make it. Okay, whenever the player touches. Okay, let me explain you.
So now you're dealing with the true or false on the collision side, not the numerator, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
then can you go up? Go up. Ah, okay.
okay.
I think I see what you're doing. Okay.
Yeah. So I think it will work fine, because I'm using.
It didn't work.
Yeah, because I make it on grounded, that's why. Okay, but I have to make it jump.
Maybe you need to transform first and then start the core routine.
No, we can check it now. This one is fine, but
Is this 5 second?
no, I'm not using the enumerator actually. Right now, I'm not using the enumerator because there is nothing I'm doing over here. But I think what we can do is jumping a new bool. Public bool is on jump. Can jump. Okay, can jump. A player can jump. Okay, and I can. Okay, jump is true. Yes, I got it. What is happening? I got it. The issue is yes. Okay. What I need to do is I need to make a new method, public void jump. Okay, and under that method, we can do this. Okay, and whenever the player jumps from the input manager, the jump will become true, and we can call this method in the update method, or okay, player movement. Do I have to make it? Okay, player jump. Now it is same over here. The jumping is working. We can make it more realistic, right? But I want, so don't make it double jump. Right now it is making double jump. Yes. Okay, I got it. This is actually happening from here, input manager. So, okay. So what is happening here? I need to make a numerator. I got it. Here I need to make a numerator. Whenever public void jump method. Okay, I need to make a numerator for that. I numerator jump. Okay, and yield return new, wait for seconds, and this is maybe 3 seconds jump is enough. 3f. Okay, so whenever the user presses space, so the jump will be is equals to true. Okay, and after 3 seconds the jump will become false, equals to false. Okay, that's it. We don't have to false it from here. And yeah, and also we need to make a bool over here. Jump bool is can jump. Yes. So okay, so whenever the user if can jump is true, okay, so so can jump will become false. Okay, and start coroutine. and jump method will run, capital one. So that's it. And now when the can jump is done, so we can make it again true. Can jump is equals to true. This is little tricky for you guys, I think, but this is very this is the thing how we can do that. We don't need to make method over here or a waiting. I think we don't need to make it wait. That was a simple part, because actually the thing is, can you hear me guys?
Yes.
Yeah, what was happening, the jump is making false whenever we press the key and put back the finger. When we press key down and when we press key up, so the jump is false. So that's why the player is going down whenever we pressing the key.
So before you do that, it was double jumping.
Yeah, yeah,
Well, I didn't see that.
it was double jumping before. So here,
How was it double jumping? Is it, are you holding the space, or did
yeah, 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 before I was
you
holding the space, that's why it was
you
double
hold
jumping. Yeah,
you didn't click space twice?
no, if I click space twice, so it will make double jump. So that was not good. I don't know why it is gone from here. Can jump is gone from here automatically. Public bool can jump. I need to write it again. I don't know why they move. If can jump is true, then okay, can jump become false. So it will not come again over here and start coroutine.
No, but you did that in the coroutine. Can jump false. Can you scroll
Yeah,
down?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, after
Oh,
3 seconds. But
you
after three
removed it,
seconds.
huh?
But after
Okay.
3 seconds, we have to make it jump false. Can jump false.
Can jump.
Can jump true now. Okay. So user can 1 second after 3 seconds he can jump. Okay. Okay. Let's check the player movement code and jump. I just have to remove this numerator because I have done the numerator part over there, and I think this is fine now. Okay, let's jump into the script in the Unity editor and play the game. It is not working. Okay, the can jump was not true by default. So what we have to do, we have to make it can jump is true from the start. Okay, now this is the actual jump now.
Okay. It looks better now.
Yeah.
So now the same logic, can you make a double jump now with this logic?
Yeah, we can make the double jump. Okay, double jump we have to make a okay.
Don't code it, but just tell me how would you do it, because I think it's gonna take time.
Yeah, I think it is going to take time because it is little tricky over here, and I have to remove some other things. Jump is equals to true.
How would you
What
go
you
about
guys
it?
what you guys say that if I make something on ground check is very is is grounded is fine over here. On ground, sorry, on grounded. This should be there. No, it should not be there. But we have to make an input manager dot instance dot what else we are doing, jump is equals true. Okay, jump is true.
This is the same thing.
Hmm.
You see,
One more thing I have to check actually. Can jump and can jump. Yeah, can jump. Well, no, go with that, and we have to do the animator part as also. So that is also a big thing to animate the player. Okay, so jump is working, and we can make it more good. Okay. Okay, now I want player to be animate. Okay, so for that what we will do, we will add a animator, this animator component over here. So click over here and set the animator, and animator is right now empty. Okay, the controller is empty and the avatar is empty. So this is the avatar we have already. So what we will do, we will just drag and drop male dummy avatar over here. Okay, and what else we will do, we will make a folder animator controller. Animator maybe is fine. Okay, and over here we will make a animator animator controller, and we can call it player animator. Okay, and then what we will do, we will remove this animator because we are not using this player from here. We will be using the player from, we will be controlling the player from the top of the object. So we have to drag and drop the player animator over here. So this is very simple. Okay, so now
okay.
what we will do, we uh, double click on the player animator and you will see a new window over here. Okay, so now let me make it more bigger so you can see. Okay, so now I think we have to make an idle state. Okay, how to do that,
Yes.
you have to right click over here and create state, and
Yes.
we can call it empty. Okay, so now yeah, in the previous lecture, and we can call it idle. Okay, from here you can change the name. Okay, and here you have to add the animation. In the previous lecture we have downloaded the standard assets, this folder, from the previous course. So
Yeah.
this is also available from the Unity asset store, which consists the characters, first person
Yes.
controller, and the animations as well. So here what we will do, we will select the idle state over here, and here we will search for the idle, humanoid crowd idle, this one. Okay, and let's play the game now.
Okay.
So now you can see the idle is working in the player. The animator is working, but now the idle is, this is not the uh, animation which we wanted to play. We wanted to play something else like animators, not this one. Over here, idle, we can select the different one. Okay, and let's see. Now you can see, now you can see the player is standing over here.
Yes.
Okay, okay,
Can you go over the jump a little bit?
okay. So this is the game over. So now we need to make something else, like we want to make something like running. Okay,
Yes.
running animation. So we just make a new empty state, and here we can search for the run forward. Run forward would be fine, or run is also okay. And now you have to understand how I will manage this. Okay, how to manage this, all of this. So for that we have to make a bool is running. Okay, whenever is running is true, make a transition from idle, it will go over here, and whenever is running is false, make a transition and go over here. So when you select the
Okay.
transition, you can see the conditions in the inspector, and you can,
Yes.
when you add it, it will come over here. Is running is
Uh-huh.
true, it, you have to go over here, and when you select the
Uh-huh.
this one, you can see the conditions, you can add this one, and when the is
It's like
running is false.
like
That's it.
FSM, state
Yeah,
machine.
yeah. So now let's check it out if it is working or not. Okay, when I select this thing, it is running now. When the running is true, he is running, the animation is working. And whenever the running is false, it is false. But there is a thing, like it completes the animation and then go to the animation part. Now you can see it completes this and then go to the
Ah,
animation part. Okay, so
yes.
how to fix that? You have to, how to fix that, we have to make,
Exit time?
okay, yeah, it was something exit time, it was a has exit time. Just to remove this check, has exit time. Okay, this means you have to complete the animation which is currently working and then go to another script. Okay, so you have to uncheck this, and for that also, so it will go whenever the idle position, the idle animation was working, it will go uh, exactly on the same time. Whenever, now you can see the start, when he start, I will make it true and he will running. Whenever I make it false, it is stop.
Yes.
So that is fine. So let's make it. Right now we are handling it from the editor, but over here it is not working. Okay,
Yes.
so for that what we need to do is we have to make a new variable which is public animator. Okay, and we can call it player nm. Okay, got it.
Yes.
And we have to drag and drop that player movement. We have not saved the script. Save the script, come back to the Unity editor, and you can see a new variable over here, just put it there. Okay, and now whenever the player is
Moving.
okay, okay, player nm dot set bool, that was the bool, and we can make a name of that bool was is running maybe.
Is moving. Capital R.
Yeah, and we have to make it true. Okay, and just copy it, move left. Whenever the player is moving right or left, it will be running. Okay, and also we have to make it false. We have to make it false as well. If
Do we have to make it false or return to the idle?
no, if we don't make it false, then it will not come back to the idle. We have to make it false. Okay, so from here I think we can make it okay. Okay, so now let's check it out. On the left side it is working fine, but on the right side it is not working. So
Why on the right?
okay,
Perfect. Come on.
let's look
There
good.
is jumping here.
We can make a jumping animator, don't worry, but the left and right movement are working fine.
Okay.
I think
Yes.
okay, everything is clear and cut, right?
Yes, except the jumping logic. I still don't get it.
Yeah.
Why
Yeah,
did we have to wait?
no, I will make something a very beautiful logic for that in next lecture, and hope you will like it.
Okay.
It's actually 1 minute left to for the lecture, and it will be finished. So I think it's all from today's
I